Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your purge valve solenoid. Working on the 2016 Cruze. This is the purge valve right here. So the engine is running, but I'm going to show you how you know it's bad. All right. All right. So this is the part right here. So what you need to do is push down on this. Take off this red piece right here. Take that off right there. You can go ahead and pull back on this, and that will come off, right? Also, you want to go ahead and unplug this right here. And to unplug this, you need to pull back this red piece right here. Pull it back like that, and then you squeeze this and pull back on it. Alright. So to check it, you would first connect this, alright, and then crank the car up. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crank the car up. Alright, the car cranked up. When it's working, go do. And you put your hand here, you should have vacuum right here. So there's a little vacuum right here. There's a little bit, you hear that? Sound? That means it's working. You put your hand there, you have a vacuum. Alright? So you want to unplug this. Squeeze, push the red thing back, squeeze it, pull that off. If that works, if you put your finger here, you still have vacuum. That means it's bad and it's need to change, alright? So that's one test, one way you can know if this is bad for real. After you get a check engine light, because most of the time it's gonna let you know, you're gonna turn on the check engine light and let you know this is bad. But this is the other way to confirm that it's really bad, alright? Alright, to take off this part, you want to squeeze this part right here and another part like this on the other side. Squeeze it and pull up on it, and it will come off like that. Pull this off. Note this have a rubber thing right here, so you want to check your new part right here. And this the part number once again. Start with 55. Alright, so this have the rubber that we need. So I'm going to take the rubber off right here. Let me see if I can show that to you. This rubber right here, take it off. Install this one right here. That's on. Plug this in right here. That's on. You want to plug this in too. Push this on, and you want to lock it in place with that red clip. So that's it. That's how you do that, and that's will take care of the problem. Sometimes it may cause the car to run rough or stall out or throw the check engine light. So that's how you do that. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and clear the code. Alright guys, so computer right here, that's the code it give. So I'm gonna clear it. I think that code probably comes when I change the
change the, when I plugged out the sensor, it normally gives the code, but it will let you know the evap is messing up. So you just go here, clear the codes. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Thumbs up, see you next time, peace out.